So today we're gonna be pranking my little sister, Valentina. So I have these things like they're like for spaghetti, and I'm putting like I want my sister to crack my neck because my neck hurts, and I'm gonna say that my neck hurts, and then I'm gonna use it and then bite it, and it's gonna sound like I broke my neck. Vale, come please. Could you crack my neck? Could you crack my neck?
What?
I don't know. Could you crack my neck?
Why did your voice sound like that?
Because my voice hurts, so I don't know why.
Wait, Nilan. Wait. Nilan. 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 Mommy. Mommy.
We got it wrong.
I'm doing This is how I feel about it.
I got it wrong. Y'all, peace out for another video. Peace out.